Hey there everyone, it's Peter from Bag Riders, and today we're here in the shop and we just received a very special package from Ridetech. It seems like someone from marketing got a little bit excited and went ahead and already opened it up, but today we're going to take our very first look at the RidePro E5 AirPod. Yeah. What? Here is the RidePro E5 AirPod. As you can see, it has everything that you need in your air ride management. You have a solenoid-based manifold, dual compressors, and an air tank. So I'm just gonna walk around it, get some ideas, my thoughts and opinions, and yeah, I'm excited to look at it. I just love how it seems like it has a lot going on, but it's so simple. I mean, there's a fuse box here in the back. The dual compressors are small. I thought they were gonna be Vire compressors, but it seems like it's their own. And it seems that we have this for height sensors.
Wow.
All labeled and ready to go.
I mean, I am definitely just blown away just by the concept itself. The fact that this is a drop-in system, plug and play, and you can just throw it in your trunk and go. To me, that's huge. And the fact that they made it so easy. It's like literally plugs right here, airlines go there, super tight. I also love the tight fitment. You can really kind of stow it to the back, and you'll still have plenty of room in your trunk, which I really like.
And we haven't talked about this yet, but the controller on it, generally I'm all for buttons, but this seems like a super nice piece. We have been dealing with a lot of new forms of management, and this easily takes the cake on my newest favorite. Yeah, you wanna get a look at it? It's quite nice.
You like it. So it has a nice weight to it.
That's important, nice weight.
Yeah.
Always a good thing.
I mean, 4 buttons, like how can you go wrong, you know?
Yep.
So, love it.
But I think my favorite part about this whole solution is that it kind of opens up people to air ride that might have been a little bit too intimidated to get into it prior. And I know when I was first getting into air ride too, of like, it seems super daunting, and this kind of solves all the problems with regards to wiring up your car and finding the power. Like, your power source is just a plug and play right here. Your wiring for your controllers here. If you want to even upgrade for height sensors, it's just plug and play solutions everywhere. And it's really cool to see a company like this offering a product that kind of solves a lot of those issues. And these guys deal with a lot of hot rod based stuff. So we're really excited to get into some of our cars and test it on some of our R&D vehicles, some of our own vehicles, and that way we're really going to be able to make some really good assessments on it. So hopefully here's to some more videos on it. You'll be in front of the camera probably talking a lot about this once we get some more technical stuff done on it. I know that we were all really excited to get it. So it's cool to see it in person.
Even the wiring, I mean, when you look at the electrical, really thick wiring, so they really took time to research, you know, what the capacity is. Yeah, no, I love it. For the beginner, this is probably the best way to go.
I agree. Well, thanks for coming in, Demir. But there we have it. This is the RidePro E5 AirPod from Ridetech. We are super excited to give you some more videos on it and get a lot more technical. We're excited to learn it. Hopefully we can teach you guys everything that we have to know about it. And here's some more. Thanks for watching.